The Brau is an important mid-tier trade fair for us and for the sector in Europe as a whole. What we're showcasing here is a range of machinery responsively tailored to precisely this customer grouping.
Krones ist immer so einen Schritt voraus und das sind wir ja auch oder wollen wir auch sein.
Krones claims to be always one step ahead, and in fact we most certainly are. We prioritize innovative thinking, we invest in the very latest technology, and of course the service support has to be second to none, which it is at Krones. But what's paramount for us is innovation, no doubt about that.
Aber es ist hauptsächlich diese Innovation.
It's a joy for me to be here. It's, seeing the latest technology in the brewing industry. I actually come from the dairy industry, but we're looking for cross-fertilization. And so we're seeing all the great ideas that these guys in brewing have brought, and then it's an opportunity for me to take this into dairies.
This year we're aiming to provide a very comprehensive overview of Krones' capabilities in terms of process technology. This begins with individual components, like valve engineering. And this year we're also showcasing our own range of Krones valves here. Then we've got our shell and tube heat exchanger for heating systems that handle juices, carbonated soft drinks and milk-based beverages. With the Combi Cube, we're also offering a complete brewhouse for mid-tier clients. And of course, we can provide all-inclusive solutions for an entire turnkey factory.
Das neue Ventilprogramm heißt EvoGuard.
The new family of valves is called EvoGuard. Their most important advantage, without a doubt, is that the client needs only a single vendor to liaise with for his valves as well. This innovatively designed seal principle is another advantage. In addition, air consumption has been minimized and maintenance has been maximally simplified. In my estimation, Krones has come up with some extremely interesting kit here, and we aim to test it out.
In the
background we have an innovative wort stripping system called Boreas. This gives us an option for integrating a downstream stripping system between the whirlpool and the wort cooler, in addition to wort boiling in the copper. It means we can firstly improve the wort quality and expel unwanted aromatics, and secondly, we can reduce the energy consumption in the classical wort boiling process.
We are working to be a green industry. We are really interested in all the energy system. We are learning about develop to recover temperature for the cooling area in the brew house. Okay, also to improve the DMS after the whirlpool. And well, we think that we are in the same way that Krones is develop their technology.
What's special about this module fill is that we're talking about a new generation here. We've incorporated a lot of advances in this machine, and that means we've concentrated on modularizing it with carefully defined interfaces. These interfaces enable us to assemble a filler like a modularized kit, from bottom to top. This gives us a highly standardized machine, while at the same time providing the client with maximized flexibility. With our Vinetta, we aim to send out an unambiguous signal. We're responsive to the needs of the lower and medium output ranges. Where the Vinetta scores is that in terms of its dimensions, it's ideally suited for small breweries as well. Basically, it's a classical beer machine, but you can use it for wine and other packaged products too.
Yes, I'm really delighted, and I'll be even more delighted when it's up and running at our plant. We're not just getting this vinetta from Krones, you know, we're getting an inspector as well. We have an extremely diverse range of products, and that's why we opted for this vinetta with all the different dress options it provides.
The salient features of the new Leanertronic are its upgraded hygienic characteristics, its improved accessibility, its even better operator friendliness, and of course, optimized detection accuracy.
Technical-wise, the machine as synchro-block has many strengths and many features that are mainly coming from Krones know-how, but are also coming from the Cosme experience in these years. When I mean Krones know-how, we have in this kind of machine a blow molding unit that is completely made in Krones and then interacted in our machine. And the filler itself, that is the second part of the synchro-block, as the filling valve, that is a VKP valve from Krones. And then together we see that the core of the machine has the technology that is coming from Germany. The other special thing for this machine is absolutely the preform oven, that is a patented system from Cosme and is making a very quick changeover time between one preform to the other, with very easy setup to be tuned by the technician of the line.
Today is my first day at the fair, and of course my very first port of call was the Krones stand, so I could take a look at my new filler. Yes, it really was like Christmas for us. So far we'd only seen it all on paper, but we're already more than enthusiastic.
Es ist fast schade, dass jetzt die Messe nur noch ein paar Stunden läuft.
It's almost a pity that the fair only has a few more hours to run. What I would really like is for it to continue for another whole week, so as to savour all the bustling energy and the relief after the crisis, and enjoy it for a bit longer. What I've also been delighted to note here at the fair is the health of the mid-tier sector. All these small breweries with their vigour and sustainability, everyone could do with taking a leaf out of their books.
Da kann man eigentlich noch davon was abschneiden.